Hello everybody, Alex V again here with another project which is undergoing at the moment. We got this Mercedes Vito. It's an 03 plate model, and yeah, it's not in the best shapes. I mean, a bit of rust that was there. Someone attempted a repair with some fiberglass, which yeah, is not ideal, so that should be done a little bit better. Wheels, they need refurbishment, so yeah, they're not in the best state. These are big wheels. They 20-inch with 30 and 245s at the front, and yeah, definitely this one needs a lot of work to do. Yeah, we got some nice P0s at the rears with 275s, 35s on 20s as well. A bit of rust there. Yeah, you probably guys have seen worse than that, but yeah, that would be needing a bit of TLC and attention. And yeah, if you guys have any ideas on how to repair this bad boy, yeah, let us know and gives us a thumbs up, and see you on the other side. Thanks for watching, and click that like button. See you later.